Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at a car that's actually been in the family since 1960, a 1937 Ford 5-window coupe. Let's take a look. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 1937 Ford 5-window coupe, all steel. Interesting story, been in the family since 1960. The neighbor needed money at that time, and this fellow gave him a whopping $75 for the car. Originally was a 60 horse, but it is now a 85 horse flathead in it, of course. Been converted to 12 volts, so it makes it start just a little smoother than they did in 1937. As you can see, the paint is a beautiful gray color, which was of course one of the options in 1937. Original car in most aspects, including the beauty rings, the V8 hubcaps, the wide white walls. Once we look at the interior, you can see that it has been redone as original. 3-speed on the floor, banjo steering wheel. But it's really fun to run into something that is all steel, has that much family history, and it's something you can jump in and drive as it is today. The nice thing about one of these cars, it also has a little more room in the trunk. If you look in the trunk, we've got lots of room. You could put a number of golf clubs if you were so inclined. It does have the dual taillights, of course, with blue dots. Just a little bit of an upgrade probably from the originals. The other interesting thing is it's got the fender skirts, which is, you know, very unusual to have on a 1937. So if you're looking for a really nice example of a 37 Ford all steel 5-window coupe, we have it right here on our showroom floor here in Rogers, where we have an indoor showroom that can accommodate up to 100 plus cars. You can visit all our cars online at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and also on YouTube. Give us a good like and take a look, because we have lots of nice stuff that you can come and look at Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5 in Minnesota. It is heated inside, so you can come any time of year. So thanks for looking today. We'll see you next time.